Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to reset an iPhone 6. This is actually work on most iPhones that are using the current iOS system at the time that this video was made. Basically what we're going to be doing is resetting this to factory defaults. Now, if you have any data, the very first thing you need to do on your iPhone is back it up using iTunes. Okay, we're back looking at our iPhone here. I'm going to hit the home button and basically we're going to go into our settings. So you're just going to get that little gear icon right there, open it up. And basically we have a few options here. We're going to go into general. And then we're going to scroll down to the reset function. It's right there at the bottom of general. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, there's an option to reset or erase all content and settings. And that's basically what we need to do. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to do this? I'm going to click that. And basically, it's going to ask one more time, you sure you want to delete all the media and data? Okay, here's what the screen looks like as it's erasing all of our data. Okay, you can see the welcome screen has come on, which means the iPhone has completely reset now.